Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to host a website on GitHub for free. If you've been searching for a way to create and host a static website using GitHub pages for free, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To host a website on GitHub for free, first of all, open github.com on your computer web browser. Log in to your GitHub account if you are not already logged in. Once you are in GitHub, click on the plus icon in the top right of the page. A drop-down menu appears. Select New Repository from the menu. Add your website details here. Under Repository Name, add your website name. Keep it short and sweet. You can also add a description of your website here. Scroll down and tick the box to add a README file. Again, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Create Repository button. You have successfully created a blank repository. Now, you need to add all of your website files here. From the top right of the repository page, click on the Add File button and select Upload Files from the drop-down menu. Drag and drop all of your static website files here. You can also upload files by clicking on the Choose Your Files link. Your website code and files will start uploading. It may take some time if you have a large number of files. Once uploaded, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on the Commit Changes button. After the upload is complete, click on the Settings tab at the top of the screen. On the left side, you will see Pages. Click on it. Under the Build and Deployment section, change the source to GitHub Actions. Once you choose GitHub Actions, a new section appears. Click the Configure button under Static HTML. A new screen appears. Click the Commit Changes button at the top right side of the screen. Again, click Commit Changes on the pop-up screen. GitHub will start creating your live website. You can see the progress under the Actions tab. Click here to view progress. Once complete, you will see a green tick here. After completing this process, click on the Settings tab at the top of the screen. On the left side of the settings screen, click Pages. At the top of the GitHub Pages section, you will see your live website link. Click on this link or click on the Visit Site button to see your live website. Now, you can share this web link with anyone. By following these simple steps, you can easily create and host a static website on GitHub for free.